The Idries Shah Foundation presents The Pleasantries of the Incredible Mulla Nasrudin by Idries Shah. First published 1968. Published in this edition, 2015. Narrated by David Alt. Pida natawanad, pisa tamam kunad. If the father cannot, the son may bring it to a conclusion. Introduction. When one has heard several Nasrudin tales, they can have a compelling effect. There is a tradition, often recorded in the Middle East, which seeks to explain this. It is related that Nasrudin, when a boy, had the strange power of keeping his schoolfellows' attention upon his stories. Their academic work suffered. The teacher, unable to prevent Nasrudin's magnetism working, was himself a sage who managed to modify it. He put this spell on the young man. From now, however wise you become, people will always laugh at you. From now, whenever one Nasrudin tale is told, people will feel compelled to tell them until at least 7 have been recited. It is quite curious how some people who are not immediately attracted to the mullah can become addicts. The United States, the Soviet Union, and Communist China are at this moment equally involved with Nasrudin, if with nothing else. The Coral Gables High Energy Physics Conference report uses mullah tales to illustrate scientific phenomena, which cannot be put in the limitations of ordinary technical terms. In Soviet Central Asia, a new Nasrudin film is in active production as a cultural undertaking. Peking has published, in English as well as in Chinese, a folklore book containing stories about Mulla Nasrudin. Consistently with the mullah's history, the widespread welcome of our version of the exploits found a dissenter in Punch. But if this could have been predicted from the mullah's teachings, he would himself perhaps have been more diverted by the reaction of the academic experts. In Britain, Orientalists have been saying that Nasrudin is not a Sufi teaching figure. In Beirut and Karachi, the specialists' opinion to the contrary seems equally strong. All this, of course, only serves to show that our mullah does not fit into the current categories, and that there is nevertheless still a place for him. According to the sayings of Mulla Nasrudin, enjoy yourself, or try to learn. You will annoy someone. If you do not, you will annoy someone.